Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. Aloha and welcome. Welcome to Hawaiian Airlines Pauhana Fridays, which does happen every first Friday of the month in appreciation for your loyalty as Premier Club members and Pualani elites. Today we want to welcome, we have special guests. We have the three handsome men of an amazing group called Vaipuna. And today we'll be serving you Island Manapuas. We have Manapua and Porkash. Sit back, relax, and unwind as you kick off your Pauhana Friday. Aloha.
Mahalo tau. Kind of surreal, yeah? We're always traveling on Hawaiian, and whether it be to West Coast or Japan, but we finally get to come over here and play, yeah? Right on. For a different reason, yeah. Chihi.
Ke aloha Hava puhi palokau ano He iha no me au I ka poli o ke aloha He kualoha Ka huli aku he iha o He kualoha Across the sea and the magic of these islands fills me with the memories. White gingers were in blue. Sweet perfume, and you were there. Two shadows on the sand, the tropic moon above. Then we were lost
Aloha Friday, everyone. Weehaw. Okay, make sure you guys keep an eye on the time, yeah? Don't miss your flight. Because then we don't like get blamed.